Hello everyone, it's 7th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have red flags in government. Can Gen AI models track prompts of officials, leverage citizens' data? Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have farm fires reaching AQI, very poor again. Capital pollution crisis, very important for environment perspective. Then we have students protest demand action on foul air problem, again very important for environment and pollution perspective. Moving forward, we have panel backs uniform penalty for Forest Act violations, again very important for polity and governance as well as environment perspective. Then we have Karnataka studies hail welfare schemes, flag adverse effect on labour participation, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says Allahabad Municipal Board to New York City Hall, Nehru's Arc. Again, very important editorial. Then we have playing catch up with China in the AI race. Again, very important for international relations as well as science and tech perspective. Then we have Trump wants to be she, or is that a joke? Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have new NCERT class 7th book traces algebra and more to ancient India. Again, very important for education perspective. Moving forward, we have has Bihar's growth caught up with the rest of the India? Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have crisis in Sudan, current trigger, old fault lines and the human cost. Again, very important for international interest perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have India needs a lot of big and world-class banks with sit and discuss with RBI, says Finance Minister. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have why 8th CPC needs better inflation measurement. Again, very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have SEBI RBI discussions to launch bond derivatives. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have the world page where we have government shutdown, US order 10 flight cuts at airports. Then we have Trump says he will not attend G20 summit in South Africa. Then we have mediators propose to get Hamas militants out of Israeli held Gaza area. Lastly, we have Trump announcing deal to drop obesity drug prices. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.